About to bust 650, son. Woo! Run tell that, baby. Tell your boss it's time to get paid to watch some box busting. Woo! Tell him. Run tell that.
We're on tour, and we're doing it better than anybody else alive. Now, Buddy Landell, it's so hard for me to sit back here in this studio looking at a guy out here hollering my name. When last year I spent more money on spilt liquor in bars from one side of this world to the other than you made. You're talking to the Rolex wearing, diamond ring wearing, kiss stealing, woo, wheeling dealing, limousine riding, jet flying, son of a gun, and I'm having a hard time holding these alligators down. Woo.
What is up, peeps? We are getting revved up for tonight. My buddy, customer Billy's in the house. He came in, jet flying, bought a box of the cup, and he said, I asked him if he wanted to bust it live, and he said he wanted us to bust it live. No, Clint, I'm actually packing stuff up. I don't have a lot of time to do that today. I'm still working, but I probably tomorrow or some other time. But right now, I'm actually trying to get stuff shipped out. Anyway, 1617 the cup, jet flying stuff right here. It's the last box in the house. We haven't hit Matthews yet, so it's time. I hope y'all are ready, man. If we hit Matthews, it's a shot of Pappy. If we hit Line and Marner, it's a shot of Jack. Other than that, I'm gonna be doing the rest of the day until tonight. Y'all get ready. It's the biggest night we've had planned tonight. Probably the most boxes purchased at this point since we started. So should be pretty crazy. Good luck, Billy. Oh, we gotta get Pat Tillman on this one. Hold on. Gotta get Pat going. Let's go, Pat. We'll let Pat marinate on there for just a second. Here you go, Big Pat. Let's go, brother. The Tillman tap. Woo! That's not mine. Somebody sent it to me, but I like it, so I'm going to take it. All right. Good luck, guys. No, they're wanting to know if they can order boxes right now. Tonight at 7. I think we're going to go. You want to go live a little earlier tonight?
It's fine with me. I'm going to probably be here until it starts anyway.
Okay, so we might go a little earlier. All right, here we go. I hope y'all are ready to see a $14,000 card busted. And these boxes are insanely tough to open. Here we go. Showtime, baby. Your time to shine, Billy. Let's get it. Woo! I want to hit this thing bad. Get the Pappy out and get ready. Get the Pappy out. All right, give me a shout out if you're sitting in your cubicle and you're getting paid to watch this. Woo! This stuff makes my heart race. The cut 16, 17. Where are you at, Austin? Where are you at? And we're not talking about lid.
Lid.
All right. We're going to enjoy this one because it's our last one. It's time, boys. It's time. There's a gold in there. How sick would it be for it to be Austin? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Man, this stuff makes me nervous. So normally I don't get all too worried about it, but first up, David Backus.
That one I don't know how to say.
Thomas Chabot.
Chabot.
For the Summoners?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thomas Chabot.
I think he plays in Colorado now.
What's up, Patty? Stay jet flying. Not looking like it yet. We got a gold. Demko. Thatcher Demko. Man, that's such a sick patch. Could you imagine if that was Austin Matthews?
Was it out of 15?
It's out of 24.
Okay.
The gold. That's the gold of 24. Everybody get ready. I'm ready to raise the roof up in here. Here we go. How do you say that guy?
Luongo.
Luongo. Roberto Luongo. Nope.
That's not bad though.
We got a good card, but we didn't. I'm Austin Matthews hunting, son. It's a sick card. Here's a triple. It's the gold to 10. Look at that card. Man, Upper Deck makes a sick card. Appreciate it, Tyler. This is just a little appetizer for tonight. I'm telling y'all, tonight, it is going to be wild. That card's sick, man. We'll get you some magnetics too, man. 1, 2, 3. Grab him 4 130-point magnetics. And then get him a couple 130-point top loaders for the base. Cam Neely. The hunt for Austin continues. And we're not talking about Lid. We're talking about Matthews. All right, anybody else need anything? What's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? Leaf draft? No, man, not right now. We'll do it tonight. Appreciate the business, guys. Hang in there, Kenneth. You've been in there 8 months, man. That's not good, man. Hang in there. Tell that doctor to get you fixed up out of there. All right, man. Stay jet flying. We will see y'all tonight about 7 o'clock. See ya.